So let us continue with the term document matrix. Uh, Here another example, it is shown here. Like here 5 documents are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and in which some terms are there, some words are there. So how we can prepare the term document matrix using for these documents? So we put in a we will create a matrix with in columns D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 documents, and in row different words which has been appeared in these documents we have used, like complexity, algorithm, entropy, traffic, networks. So complexity word has occurred 2 times in D1. You can see that complexity once here it has occurred, and another it has occurred uh, somewhere it will be there. So 2 times it has occurred, the complexity word in D1, and 0 time in D2. 3 times it has occurred in D3, which is in D3. This is third documents. 3 times it has occurred, and in D4 complexity word has occurred 2 times, and D5 3 times it has occurred. So algorithm has occurred, word has occurred 3 times in D1, and no 0 time in D2, 0 time in D3, and all these things like that. So this is how we can prepare a term document matrix or document term matrix. What are the best practices in text mining we have? So best text mining best practices are there. First practice is, the first and most important practice is to ask the right question. To prepare a text mining, we should ask a right question. A good question is one which gives an answer and would lead to large payoffs for the organization. Answer of a good question: if you ask a good question, you can get a relevant answer, proper answer, and which will lead you for the payoffs of your organization. So to prepare a text mining, first we should ask a uh, good question. Second best practice is to be creative and open in proposing imaginative hypothesis for the solution. Like, we should be creative and we should be open in providing imaginative solution hypothesis, thinking outside of the box. Yeah, if using the regular way, or according to the rules, if you are not getting solution, you should think out of the box to get the solution. So thinking outside the box is important, both in the quality of the proposed solution as well as in finding the high quality data sets required to test the hypothesized solution. Third best practice is, another important element is to pursue the problem iteratively. Too much data can overwhelm the infrastructure and also befuddle the mind. Uh, it should be the problem should be iteratively, and it should not have too much of data which will lead a complex organization. It is better to divide and conquer the problem. Any a big problem, we should divide it into small two sub problems, and each sub problems will be again divided into different sub problems, and they can be solved from down to top. Small problems need to be solved and joined together to get a bigger solution of the bigger problem. This is the third best practice. Fourth best practice is a variety of data mining tools should be used to test the relationship in uh, TDM, term document matrix. A variety of data mining tools should be used to test the relationship in the term document matrix TDM. So variety of tools can be used to prepare the TDM. Different decision tree algorithms could be run alongside cluster analysis and other techniques. So different decision tree algorithms are present in the um, previous chapter we have already studied, and based on the TDM we can prepare different decision trees alongside the cluster analysis and other techniques, and we can get the solution. Now next, differences between data mining and text mining. The based on the different criteria we will differentiate the data mining and text mining. The first criteria is overview. In data mining, a range of functions to search for patterns and relationship in structured data. So in data mining, data will be structured, and in structured data we can find the insight view or some pattern we can find out, we can find some relations in the data. So that is called a data mining. But in text mining, data will not be structured. It can be unstructured or semi-structured. So a range of functions in a range of functions to turn unstructured textual data into structured information to enable data analysis. Second criteria is data type. So structured data from large data sets found in systems such databases, spreadsheet, ERP, CRM, and accounting applications. From a large data set, structured data can be used for databases, spreadsheet, ERP, CRM, and accounting applications. But in text mining, unstructured and semi-structured data will be there. So unstructured textual data found in emails, documents, presentations, videos, file, share shares, social media, and internet. So data present in text mining will be unstructured data. It may be emails, it may be documents, it may be presentations, it may be videos, it may be file shares, it may be social media and internet. So these are the source of the text mining. Another criteria is data retrieval. How we can retrieve the data from data mining as well as from the text mining. So since as we know that in data mining structured data will be there, so structured data is homogeneous and organized, making it easy to retrieve. So structured data is homogeneous and organized in making it easy to retrieve, and it will be organized in such a way that it will be easy to retrieve from the data mining. But in text mining, unstructured data will be there. So unstructured textual data comes in many different formats and content types, located in more diverse range of applications and systems. So it will be difficult to retrieve the data from the text mining. Another is criteria is data preparation. Structured data is formal and formatted, facilitating the process of ingesting data into analytical models. So yeah, structured data will be there, and it will be formal, it will be formatted, facilitating the process of ingesting data into the analytical model. Linguistic and statistical techniques including NLP, keywording, and meta